This is complete step-by-step tutorial on how to create videos for YouTube using best free video editing software, which is completely free and does not places any watermark. After watching this 10 minutes video, you can also easily make high quality professional videos. So do watch this video full to learn professional video editing and become a video editor yourself. But before I start, if you are new to WM Originals, do consider subscribing, and if you find this video useful, do hit like button. Hello folks, myself Akhil from WM Originals back with another video, and today I am teaming up with IO4 to present you FilmForth Video Editor. FilmForth is a powerful free video editor, movie maker and slideshow video maker for Windows 10. It's a free Windows movie maker and comes with easy to use interface. So even if you're a beginner to video editing, you can use it like a pro. It's far more than just a video editor. With this you can make videos from clips, add picture in picture, specialize the background music by adding audio, recording voiceover, and we can also set volume levels as well. And all this can be done without watermark. It does not places any watermark on your creativity. And here we have many more features of FilmForth Video Editor. So let's give it a try, and for that let's move back to top of the page and you can directly download it from Microsoft Store. Well, for now let's click on free download to download FilmForth Video Editor for free. After that it moves you to Microsoft Store web page, and from here click on get. It opens up a pop-up. Click on open Microsoft Store and Microsoft Stores opens up. From here click on get and then it starts downloading. Once done, you can open it from here or can also open it from app list as well. Click on launch to open FilmForth Video Editor. Now here we have FilmForth. So simple and easy to get started with. Everything is available at glance. Here at left side we have some quick tools such as convert videos, trim video, stabilize video, extract MP3 and rotate video, and at center we have option to get started with video editing. From here we can create a new project for different resolutions. We have option to get started for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, IGTV. We can also make ultra wide videos and we have other options as well. Just choose one and you can get started with video editing. Here we have our recent projects, and then here we have option to open a project file. Let's get started and edit a video for YouTube. And for that click on this drop down option and select YouTube. And now here we have FilmForth Video Editor. From here we can add a video photo or can also add a color clip or can also search on Giphy as well. Let's add a video to get started with, and for that click on add video photo clips and Windows file picker opens up. Browse to choose a file and here we have our video added to timeline. And now at bottom we can see various tools which we can use to edit our videos. By clicking on add we can add another media clip. Just browse through to pick a file, and now we have other file being added as well. We can also split more video clips from here. Just move the pointer to video anywhere in timeline and then we can split video in parts. And then we can also delete clips by pressing delete button or by clicking on delete option here on right side. We can also trim our video clips from here. Just click on trim, and now from here we can select start point and then select end point to trim video. And once we have selected, click on trim to trim video. We can also change our video speed from here or can increase it up to 4x. We can reduce the speed. We can also change volume for clip. Just click on volume, and from here we can adjust clip sound or can also add fade in or fade out effect. And now from here we can detach audio from video clip just by clicking on this. And now here we have separate audio from video. From here we can add effects to our video clips. Just click on effect, and now from here we have options such as glitch, 1977, add-in, M arrow, early bird, and have many more of them. Just choose one to apply it to video. You can also have a quick preview here and then choose the effect to apply. Once done, click on effect to apply it. We can also crop our video clips from here. We can do it manually just like this, or can also select aspect ratio from here, which can be 16:9, 4:3, 1 or 1, or change back to original. We can also set width and height manually from here or reset it. Once done, click on OK. We can also add motion effects to our video clip from here. We can add effects like zoom in, zoom out, pan right, pan left, or swipe. Let's add zoom in effect. We can set start and then click on change to end to add endpoint of effect. Once done, click on OK to add motion to video. We can also transform clips or objects on our video. Just click on transform and from here we can scale our video or can also rotate it. Once done, click on transform to apply it. We can also rotate our clip from here. Just click on rotate to rotate our clip. We can also flip it from here or can also freeze frame as well. We can also duplicate a clip or delete one from here. And that's not enough, we can also add music to our video from here. Just click on music and here we have option to add audio. And now from here we can upload audio. We can also use built-in music or add voiceover to video. Click on built-in music and now here we have so many choices. Just play one and if you like it, you can add it to your video. Let's play this one. This looks nice. Let's add this to video. Just click on add to add it to video. We can also mark them as favorites to access them faster from favorite tab. We also have many sound effects here that we can use in our video. We can also split, trim or change speed for audio as well. We can also set volume levels and once done click on this arrow to add audio to video and can also set a start point. From here we can add picture in picture. Suppose you want to add subscribe button to your video, you can do it from here. Just click on picture and picture and then click on add pick in pic. And for that click on add video photo clips. Windows file picker opens up and now from here we can choose any subscribe effects you may have, or if you don't have, you can check the description or pin comment to get one for yourself. And once you choose subscribe effect, it will get added to video. Now click on chroma key and from here turn this toggle on. After that click on color picker and then select the color you want to remove. We can also set tolerance level from here and once done click on it to add subscribe animation. This way you can add any green screen effect to your video from here. We can use all these options, they are same as what I told you before. Here it has animation. We can add animation to our picture in picture object. Let's add a logo watermark to our video and for that click on add pick in pic and choose logo file. We can place it anywhere in the video we want to and then click on animation and now from here we can set entrance animation. Let's add wiper effect to it. We can set exit animation. Let's select fade out. You can choose any of the options available. Here we have many choices. We can also select emphasis. This way we can add an animation to our logo. Let's add heartbeat animation. You can add any of these you want to. Once done, click on animation to add effect. We can also add text to our video and now from here click on add text. Now click on edit text. Now from here we can change text. Let's change this to WM Originals Creations and we can change font, can make it bold, italic or can also do other formattings. can also change color. We can add drop shadow effect, stroke, or add background color to it. We can also set alignment to our text and can also add speech balloon to our text. And here we have presets. Just choose the one you like, and here we have many choices. Once done, click on edit text, and from here we can set start point for text. Just move the pointer and click on set start. We can also add transitions between clips by just clicking on this, and from here we can select various transitions available. Just choose one to apply it. Now once we are done with video editing, click on save video. Now from here we can select video resolution, which can be 480p, 720p, 1080p, 1440p, or can also choose 4K resolution. Yes, with this you can save your videos in 4K quality as well. We can select video quality from here to be standard or good, or the one you want. You can choose from here. We can select frame rate from here, which can be up to 60 fps. Now to export our video without watermark, just uncheck this box and there will be no watermark added to our video. From here we can select audio quality. After that, click on save. Give it a name and then click on save. File starts exporting, and once done, we can click on show in folder or close it. Let's click on show in folder, and here we have our edited video file. Let's have a quick preview of the video. This is how easily you can make high quality professional video for free using FilmForth video editor, and that too without any watermark. I can easily term this as the best free video editing software available in 2021 and will highly recommend you to try it out if you are looking to make high quality professional videos. And if you want to try, check the link in description and pin comment. This is what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, do share your views in comments, and do consider subscribing to WM Originals. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.